When it comes to fine-tuning the alignment of the light source on the SL-B2, there's a lot of movement you can get underneath here. If you take this hood off, there's 2 Phillips screws, one on each side. Take the hood off, and that gives you access to the prism plate. It's got a number of screws around it. It's got 4 larger Allen screws and then 3 smaller adjusting screws. You're going to need a 0.9 for the 3 smaller ones and a 1.3 mil or 050 for the larger ones. And what you need to do is loosen the 4 outer ones, and you can see there's gaps around them so it can turn. So if your light needs to go horizontally, you need to change it. You could just loosen the screws a little bit and turn the prism head to line it up and then tighten it down. If you need to go vertically, you can leave these screws tight and see if just by moving the small screws up or down, see if that's enough. It's usually not very much, so it's possible that you can tweak it just by tightening and loosening to make the light go up and down. But if they're not going to move, then go ahead and loosen those up and do your adjustment vertically with these up and down. You'll see what happens when you screw them in and out. And when you're done, you just go ahead and recheck your horizontal, tighten the 4 screws if you loosened them, and then you might want to put something on, like some glue or something, to keep the screws from loosening. And then you can put your hood back on and your 2 Phillips screws. I just wanted to show you some paperwork about the tweaking process. You'll see your screws. If what I said didn't make sense, maybe this will make more sense.